Ever wondered why our bodies slowly change over time? Kind of like a favorite skateboard that gets scratched and squeaky after years of awesome tricks. Aging is actually a two-part journey. Your built-in biological clock, intrinsic aging, naturally winds down your cells like a slowly fading phone battery, while your daily choices and surroundings, extrinsic aging, act like unpredictable weather, where too much sun, junk food, or stress can rust your cells faster. Scientists have cooked up over 300 theories to explain this, but they mostly split into two camps. Some think we're literally pre-programmed to age, like a video game level that ends on a hidden timer, where tiny protective DNA caps called telomeres shrink down like the plastic tips on your shoelaces every time your cells split. While others blame random wear and tear, comparing your body to a well-loved bicycle that gradually needs new tires as tiny, unplanned damage piles up. Thanks to cleaner drinking water, better doctors, and healthier snacks, people are living way longer than their great-grandparents ever did. And women usually outlive men because their estrogen hormone works like a built-in shield against inflammation and disease. Plus, research shows women often choose safer habits and visit the doctor before problems get big. The absolute best news? You can totally hit the brakes on aging by treating your body like a superhero headquarters. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies, move for 30 minutes a day like you're training for a space mission, skip the smoke, wear sunscreen like invisible armor, and challenge your brain with puzzles or learning a new instrument to keep your mind lightning fast. So while growing older is as inevitable as the sun rising, how fast it happens is mostly in your hands, meaning you've got the real-life superpower to grow up strong, stay curious, and live your longest, happiest adventure yet. Subscribe or follow us at Sissy Express for more updates.